Have you ever had a crush on a girl and wanted to get her attention? When it comes to getting a girl's attention, a lot depends on the first impression. Guys have always been drawn to girls who look good and have a happy aura about them. And girls aren't any different either. While a chiseled jawline and rock-hard abs may not be the sole criteria for a girl to get attracted to a guy, appearances and first impressions play a very big part at the beginning. After watching this video, you will learn what those 11 proven tricks to get a girl's attention. Number 1. Have a good sense of humor. Everyone enjoys a good laugh. Having a good sense of humor can be a powerful tool when it comes to getting a girl's attention. If you can make a girl laugh, you immediately stand out as someone who can brighten her day. So, you're one step ahead. One of the impressive and effective methods for attracting a girl's attention is this. It will be easy to win her over and get her to pay more attention when you set humor in motion during a conversation with a girl. People remember how you make them feel. She's more likely to remember you fondly and look forward to future interactions if you can infuse a sense of playfulness into her world by making her laugh. People tend to be drawn to those who can lift their spirits because life can be difficult. Your ability to bring joy through humor can make you a source of positivity and happiness, making her more likely to enjoy your company. Number 2. Make eye contact. Another hack is to make eye contact with her. You're trying to express yourself with someone if you make eye contact with them more than twice. Whether you are in class or at a bar, eye contact is a key part of getting a girl's attention. Glance at her, but when she sees you looking, look away. Repeat this, then make eye contact for just a moment of time. Smile if it seems appropriate, and then look away once more. By doing so, you'll catch her attention and give her the impression that you're interested. She will continue to look at you to see whether you're still looking at her if she is interested in you as well. She will learn that you are interested in her through this cycle. Keep in mind that she is either extremely shy or not interested if she avoids making eye contact with you or chooses not to look back at you. Whenever you converse with other girls, try as hard as possible to keep consistent eye contact with her. This shows her that you're really confident and that you're paying really close attention to her. Number 3. Ask for small favors. Giving her a chance to help you might make her like you. It's hard not to want to do anything for a girl you like carry her books or patch up her flat tire. It's totally okay to be there if she asks for something, but if you let her help you with something instead, she's actually more likely to be into you. When someone helps them, people frequently experience a sense of reciprocity. If you ask her for a favor, she might unconsciously assume that you repay the favor with kindness or help of similar level. It can lead her being unconsciously rely on you when in needs. This tactic was famously employed by Benjamin Franklin to persuade people, so if it worked for him, it just might work for you as well. Number 4. Tease her a little. If you're interested in a girl, you can use teasing as a playful and lighthearted technique to get her attention. Don't be mean-spirited in your games. Just be playful. When you tease her, you can show that you're into her while also showcasing your confidence. Pay attention to reactions and responses. Pay attention to how she responds and reacts. Respect her boundaries if she seems uncomfortable or asks you to stop. Make lighthearted jokes about her positive characteristics or quirks. Do not mock sensitive topics, insecurities, or private matters. Self-teasing might demonstrate that you don't take yourself too seriously and can help to balance the conversation. Be aware of cultural norms and variations because what one culture would view as harmless taunting may be hurtful to another. To show her that you value and respect her, balance sincere compliments in with the teasing. Number 5. Make time for an interesting passion or a hobby. You'll probably attract a lot of female attention if you show passion for whatever you're engaged in. Being passionate and good at something is attractive. A true passion or hobby shows that you have interests outside of the everyday routine. You become more intriguing to others, and your personality becomes stronger as a result. Never be scared to display your artistic side and talent in a photography or art class. Be the star or team captain if you play on a sports team. Give the debates your all if you're a member of the debate club. Don't keep your preferences a secret. People will begin to show interest in what you take pleasure in if you are joyful, self-assured, and enthusiastic. Don't pretend to dislike something you truly enjoy. Instead, play it off as if it's no big problem and highlight the most enjoyable aspects of what you appreciate. If the girl you're interested in shares your hobby or is interested in learning more about it, this can lead to deeper connections and shared experiences. Number 6. Have a great hygiene. Being clean and smelling good are important parts of personal care and can help you make a good first impression on people, especially the person you're interested in. Your confidence will increase naturally when you feel clean and refreshed. Confidence is attractive and can positively influence how you carry yourself and interact with others. It is obvious that nobody wants to cuddle up to a guy who stinks like trash and has leftover food in his teeth. Very basics of good hygiene include taking regular baths, cleaning your hands frequently, and maintaining dental care. Use personal care products that suit your skin type and preferences. Consider natural or hypoallergenic options if you have sensitivities. Your physical attractiveness can be improved by maintaining good hygiene and having a pleasant aroma, which will appeal to others around you more. A pleasant scent can sometimes be a subtle form of flirting. It can capture someone's attention in a pleasant and non-intrusive way. Scents have a significant impact on memory and association. The person you are interested in may remember you more fondly if you make a good first impression with your smell. But keep in mind to use scents in moderation. Strong or overpowering scents can be off-putting to some people. Improve overall hygiene by dressing in clean, fresh clothing according to your own style. Number 7. Be her friend. Without any dating pressure, get to know each other. A beautiful and meaningful way to lay a solid basis for a possible romantic connection is to become her friend. She will likely turn away if she believes you are only being her friend because you want to date her. Try to actually enjoy getting to know her, though, if you really adore her. Have sincere intentions when approaching the friendship. Display your actual interests, values, and self to her. Find activities, interests, or hobbies that you and your partner love doing together. Your relationship might get stronger through exchanging experiences and interests. Have meaningful discussions with her and pay attention to what she has to say. Be there for her in both happy and difficult times. Building trust and emotional connection can be enhanced through offering support and empathy. Small gestures of kindness and consideration can show her that you actually care, which make her interested in you. Number 8. Make delicate contact. Find ways to make gentle physical contact with the girl whose attention you are trying to get. Sparks can be ignited between you and that special girl through physical contact. Just use pleasant, simple touches throughout chats, like quick taps on the arm or shoulder. These casual touches aid in establishing physical contact in a friendly and genuine manner. Observe how the person reacts to your touches. It's good if they seem at ease and show you some positive body language in return. Do a light tap on the arm while joking. Offer a friendly hug if the opportunity arises. Give a high five or a fist bump. You can establish a brief and natural touch by gently guiding her arm or hand while you're talking or showing her something. Lean on her face, make eye contact, and slowly brush her cheek as if there is an eyelash or a fuzzy. This little interactions can make butterflies in her stomach, which create a gradual and comfortable progression of physical intimacy. Number 9. Talk about your secrets. Tell her something private about you that not many people know. As you reveal more details about yourself to her, she will see that you have her trust and grow more confident in you as a result. Psychologically, we prefer and trust people who first put their faith in us because of the simple reason that it is in our nature to distrust and be wary of strangers. Therefore, she will start to reciprocate in the same way after you show her that you trust her. Just in case she tells someone, remember to only tell her secrets that you be comfortable with others knowing. Tell stories that are just a little embarrassing and things she would consider a secret. Number 10. Active listening. Give a girl your whole attention when you are speaking with her. You can find out a lot about her and find interests you share if you pay close attention to what she has to say. Active listening is a crucial communication skill that involves not only hearing what someone is saying, but also fully engaging with and understanding their message. You're more able to answer carefully and make a more considerable input to the conversation. This may result in more interesting and useful interactions. Be sure to question her a lot. This will show her that you are actually interested in her beyond just how she looks. Ask her about her favorite hobbies, musical tastes, and recent viewings of movies. Find out about her family, goals, and objectives. Any kind of question that is gently and honestly asked is acceptable. Give her time to speak as well. If you ask her questions, allow her space to respond, and don't take it personally if she talks a lot. Remember that she should be chatting a lot. Number 11. Be visually appealing. Keep your body as well as the wardrobe in a good shape. Taking care of your body and wearing well-maintained clothing can significantly boost your self-confidence. You automatically carry yourself with more elegance and assurance when you feel comfortable about the way you look. The gym is a great spot to get that special girl's attention. You must maintain a healthy physique if you want to draw the attention of the stunning girl you've been crushing on. Even if you are obviously a great guy, keep in mind that certain girls particularly prefer people who work out. Make sure to pay attention to what you wear while keeping up your physique. Everyone has their own sense of style, and that is perfectly acceptable, but try to change your shirt before leaving the house each day and avoid wearing sweatpants every day of the week. In addition, try to remember that girls appreciate guys that make an effort with their appearance.